have the third and final box that we were waiting for. This box came from Puerto Rico from Orquideas del Turabo. So we're excited to be opening this one up to show you what was sent to us. And I think my wife she couldn't find her favorite box cutter to open up the box, but now we got it. So let's see, inside we have 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. And there's something in here. Maybe that's nothing. Oh, doesn't hurt to check. Let me double check. No, it's just a filler. Okay. And oh, this one's just a filler too. And this one's a filler also. That's funny, right? Okay, so let's see. Alright, I see a label here. Open it slowly, make sure I don't cut any leaves. I went a little bit too deep. This person really did a good job on wrapping these. I'm gonna be really careful here. Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna rip this part. There's something there. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Still a little bit hard to get. I think I need scissors for this one. No, not at all. Because they are in little kind of like baskets. That's what it is. Alright. So this is the first. Actually, it's just tied together with the other one. Oh boy, here we go. There's something attached to it. Ah. So the first one is called, let's go over the first one. Tolumnia Giroc Firm Barbie. that's what I got from that label. So check that out. Alright, that's a tiny orchid.
They're tiny.
The second orchid that we have pulled out from the box is the Tolumnia Giroc Firm Brown Derby. It looks almost like the first one that we showed. But that is what this is. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to open up this other package. So I'm assuming there was 2 in the first one, and now there's going to be 2 in here. Got it. Very carefully. There we go. 2 more packed together. Alright, that one wasn't stuck to the other one. This one says Tolumnia Hybrids Giroc Firm Red Davil.
Devil.
It's actually spelled Davil. So here's this one. And the last and final Tolumnia is called Giroc Flyer Ghouls or Jewels. That's with a G.
That's the one Miss Orchid Girl has.
Okay, so they all look similar, about the same sizes. This was probably the big one, the biggest one out of the 4. It has really nice roots. This one especially has a lot of roots. So I guess my wife will decide if she's going to leave them in here, if she's going to mount them, if she's going to put them in medium. So we'll be probably seeing new videos in order to see what's going to be, how they're going to be mounted or kept in our collection. So I just want to thank everybody for watching our video as always, and please remember to subscribe, to comment, to like, of course, and we really appreciate it if you do that for us. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching.